abakuziibwe Eric Sande obera principal town kiraka wa town council ya Rutete kando na kiraka wa council ya Kagadi akuziibwe okuba muhezi wa DC mu district ya Nakaseke hamwe na Geoffrey Mugisha obera principal town kiraka wa town council ya Kagadi kandi akuziibwe okuba muhezi wa site kiraka mu Rembo Rwampara aba babiri bamazire emyaka 18 bari kuhereza district ya Kagadi.
Fresh from the university, but we were learning, we were teaching ourselves, and we learned. So I normally see the quality of staff nowadays. Look at the CDO with due respect. You tell her, represent me here in this meeting. She cannot or he cannot make for you a report. So we really worked that time. And I and Eric, we have been progressing by the way. At some point, I have been his boss twice.
Me, one of my principles is if you don't want to work with me, you don't give me an opportunity. But once you give me an opportunity to work with you, you will work. So I want to thank you, Chairman, because for the last 4 years, we have worked together, we have never conflicted, and we have worked together.
For the period they have been here, I'm one of those people who have enjoyed working with the two. I am not new here, you are aware. At least I have exceeded some 2 years, and that is enough experience to have really enjoyed working with someone.
Pauline Podoi disuwa district ya Kagadi asimira abakozi aba ahabw'okukora n'omutima gumwe emirimo yabo.
I have supervised officers who were juniors to me, and they became strategic in their lives and took the direction these gentlemen had taken. And some of you have taken the same strategy. When you know what you want, you set targets, you set goals, you will definitely achieve them.
Yosi andi bwami mukuru wa district ya Kagadi yashabira abakozi ba government okongera hakushoma.
Hariho kinduma omukozi nakora kurungi niturura ngo hikire kuba nakuzibwa baitu kumukaguze bihandiko nusanga bihandiko nibibura. It pains ngoza kubeka ambesa office yo kurubirira, make sure you have the papers that qualify nukoso oli kukozibwa.
Omukoro gukozura abakozi ba district ya Kagadi okoreka rukundo abakozi bataahi baabo abasiibwirwe. Gashaka Thomas tumwebaze.